Winter is a strange season. Some people treat it like a pause button. They slow down, they get cozy, they hide under blankets, they tell themselves it's too cold. I'll start next year. I need comfort right now. And year after year, winter becomes the graveyard of their lives. But for you, winter is the season of rebirth. Not the season of laziness. Not the season of excuses. Not the season of comfort. You see, transformation never happens in summer. Not when everything is loud and happy. Not when life is full of distractions. Not when you are surrounded by noise. Transformation happens in the silent months. Will these 90 days be another sleepy winter? Or will this be the beginning of your discipline era? Think about your life, your dreams, your regrets, everything you wish you had done differently. What if I told you that the next 90 days could rewrite your entire story? This winter arc is for you. Not for comfort seekers. Not for procrastinators. Not for people who want motivation for one day. This is your winter arc. A 90-day challenge to transform your mind, your habits, your routine, your discipline, and ultimately, your life. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why you need a winter arc. Because winter removes the noise. Summer is chaotic. Trips, outings, social pressure, events, hot weather. But winter slows the world down. People stay indoors. Movement decreases. Noise fades. Fewer distractions equals deeper focus. Fewer outings equals more time. Most people need more motivation. But you only need fewer distractions, and winter is the perfect season to start. Winter is biology's secret weapon. Here's something no one tells students. In winter, your brain naturally becomes more adaptable, more routine-friendly, and more disciplined. Your ability to stick to habits increases. Your brain becomes calmer. This is the perfect environment to build a new identity. These are your foundation years. If you're 16 to 25, these years will decide everything. Your confidence, your career, your habits, your mindset, your sense of self. And most people waste these years scrolling. You don't need a winter arc because it's trending. You need it because your future depends on it. Chapter 2. The mental reset. Rewiring your brain for discipline. Before we talk about routines, habit, or daily tasks, we must address the real enemy, your mind. Most students don't struggle because they're lazy. They struggle because they're mentally overloaded. Your mind is carrying pressure, expectations, fear of the future, fear of failure, distraction, addiction, loneliness, overthinking, self-doubt, past guilt, anxiety. Winter gives you the perfect opportunity to rewire all of this. Here's how. The identity reset. Forget goals for a moment. Forget I want to study more or I want to get fit. Ask yourself, who do I want to become by the end of these 90 days? A disciplined student, a focused athlete, a creator, a builder, a sharper thinker, a mentally strong person? Identity drives action. If your identity becomes I am disciplined, your brain stops negotiating. You study because that's who you are. This winter arc is your chance to choose your next identity intentionally. Dopamine Detox Winter Edition. You cannot build discipline with a dopamine-destroyed brain. And the winter helps you fix scrolling addiction, YouTube binging, random dopamine-chasing mental chaos. For 90 days, cut social media to 30 minutes daily. Use no phone zones while studying, no passive scrolling. Your brain will feel strange for the first 7 to 10 days. Then something magical happens. Your mental clarity returns. Your focus sharpens. Your discipline rises naturally. Winter Mindfulness Protocol. To handle overthinking, stress, and anxiety. 10 minutes journaling daily, 5 minutes deep breathing, 5 minutes meditation or silence, 10 minutes walking. Cold air improves mood. This small routine reshapes your emotional stability. Your brain becomes calmer. Your mind becomes lighter. Your thoughts become clearer. The emotional clutter purge. Write down what's stressing you, what's hurting you, what you're afraid of, what's draining you, what you need to let go. Winter is the perfect season to release emotional baggage and reset. Chapter 3. The 90-day plan that will change your life. We'll divide the 90 days into 3 phases. Phase 1. Foundation. Build the system. This month is not about intensity. It's about structure. Your goals for first month. Fix your sleep. Set a morning routine. Create a daily study work block. Start light workouts. Build consistency and cut distractions. Your wins this month will be invisible. No major changes, no big achievements, but 90-day transformations are built in this month. Phase 2. Construction. Build the discipline. Month 2 is where momentum kicks in. Your brain becomes clearer. Your routine feels natural. Your discipline finally becomes stable. Your goals for second month. Increase study work hours. Increase training intensity. Start reading or skill building. Reduce social media drastically. Remove toxic habits. Become mentally tougher. This is the month where your transformation becomes visible. People start noticing changes. Your energy increases. Your confidence grows. You start feeling unstoppable. Phase 3. Domination. Become unrecognizable. The last month is where you break through. You're no longer trying to become disciplined. You are disciplined. Your goals for third month: advanced workflow, peak focus hours, physical strength improvement, high-level skills, zero procrastination, identity shift completion. This is the month that creates the new you. Chapter 4. The daily winter arc routine. Mornings. The warrior hours. Wake up at the same time daily. 6, 7, or 8 a.m. Your choice. Consistency matters more than timing. 5 minutes of light movement. Push-ups, stretching, walking. Movement wakes the brain. Cold water to face instant alertness. Instant dopamine reset. 10-minute silence. Meditation, breathing, or just sitting calms your nervous system. Deep work block. Do your most important task first. No phone, no music with lyrics, just focus. Afternoons. The builder hours. Study, work block. 2. Use Pomodoro or simple timer. Light exercise. Walk, gym, bodyweight workout. Winter movement is crucial for mental health. Protein-rich meal supports energy and focus. Evenings. The warrior returns. Study. Work block. 3. Revision or light tasks. Skill building, coding, writing, reading, business, creative work. Pick one. Night wind down. Meditation. Reading. Planning for tomorrow. Digital detox. Sleep routine. Same time daily. Chapter 5. The outcome. Who you will become. If you follow this winter arc with honesty, you will meet a version of you that you've never met before. By day 90, your mind will be sharper, your body will be stronger, your self-control will be higher, your discipline will be natural, your focus will be deeper, your anxiety will be lower, your confidence will be visible, your identity will be transformed. No quick hacks, no fake motivation, just 90 days of disciplined silence that produces a lifetime of power. When people see you next year, they won't be able to explain it. They'll say, "You've changed. You look calmer. You seem more mature. You're more focused." And you'll smile, because only you will know what happened in these 90 winter days. The final message. You don't need to wait for Monday. You don't need to wait for New Year. You don't need motivation. You only need a season. A 90-day silent chapter that will become the loudest part of your story. This winter, don't survive. Transform. Welcome to the winter arc. Your 90 days start now.